Okay, everybody, I just wanted to take a second to just show you guys track templates in case you guys have not seen this yet. There's a lot of instructional videos that show you how to set this up, but let me just show you the results of this. It's really kind of cool. So here I have a completely blank session, and basically now what I can do is just go to add new tracks. I can go to audio, and I can choose, for example, track live drums, and watch what happens when I do this. And in fact, I'm going to choose the one that's track live drums and effects. And you can see with just adding one of these, you can see it's going to add all of the auxiliaries I use. It's going to add all my tracks with all my settings. It's going to throw in the routing I use, my parallel bus compression. It's going to add in my groups, everything. That's good to go. So I'm going to delete this and just show you how I could quickly set up a full session with this feature. So if I come in here, I can say now, let's say I want to add, actually let's start with my effects. So let's say I want to add all effects and click. I want to add, let's say I'm tracking drums, and I'm going to add my bass guitar. I'm going to add in my electric guitars, and I am going to add in some lead vocals. We'll do 2 lead vocals, and then let's say I'm going to add in 4 backup vocals here. And let's say, also we wanted an acoustic guitar. So, and we can of course change the order afterwards. So drag that there, and then we are going to add my master bus, and I hit create, and it's going to go ahead and put my whole session together. So basically this is just awesome because one approach you can do is, instead of having a whole track template that loads up everything to get started, you could actually just have it load up the effects buses as you needed them, the routing buses as you needed them. And I found that Pro Tools is really smart in that every time you add something, it doesn't create like a new reverb bus if it's named the same. So basically, if you're to use this sort of approach, you would probably want to start with just a few buses because it'll create the buses for you as you go. So I'm just going to show you my in-out settings over here so you can see it's gone through and it's created all the buses that I've needed for all my individual tracks. And I only had 10 buses to start with in here, so there's no extra buses for every time something's used or anything. So anyway, it's a cool feature, and if you are wondering how to set this up, I'll also post a link to it there. Thanks, bye.